Okay, guys. So, for sample problem number 5, tama ba? 5, 4, yeah. So, for sample problem number 5, ito naman tayo. So, the two-member structure is connected at C by a pin which is fixed to B, D, E. Passes through the smooth slot in the member AC. Determine the horizontal and vertical components of the reactions and the support. So, technically, the horizontal and vertical components na pinapahanap sa atin dito. Kung titingnan nyo, anong type ng support to? So, ano yan? Paano yan? Diba sabi sa inyo guys na kapag ka ang isang support is inaalaw ka at a certain direction, ibig sabihin hindi siya magre-react doon. Meaning, itong slot, di ba slot yan? Di ba meron tayo ngayong space dyan? So, ibig sabihin yung bilog na to, pwedeng umasog dyan, o kaya pwedeng umasog dito. Tama? Ibig sabihin, along this axis, ibig sabihin, along this axis guys, inaalaw niya gumalaw. So magkakaroon ka ba ng reaction dyan? Hindi. In this case, di tanggalin natin. Ibig sabihin, ala ka reaction dyan. Ngayon naman, kung titingnan mo, eto bang pin na to? Iaalaw gumalaw yung member na to papunta doon? O kaya papunta dito? Di ba hindi? Kasi nakaipit siya. So technically, hindi siya gagalaw at that direction. So ibig sabihin, magre-react siya dyan perpendicularly. So i-assume natin guys na ang RC natin or ang reaction natin at C is perpendicular sa member AC. So ngayon mag-isolate na tayo siguro. I-isolate na lang natin sige si member AC. Okay? So hindi ko siya wait lang. Tanggalin ko siguro muna to. Okay. And then kunin lang natin to. So, ibig sabihin, kunuha ko yan. So, ngayon, hindi, baka malito ko yung tanggalin natin. Okay, i-drawing ko na lang. So, ibig sabihin, i-isolate natin yan. Okay, in-isolate. Teka, pangit naman. Ayan. Same na ba? Actually, hindi eh. May slope siya eh. So, 4. And then, 3. Okay, di ba? System kamukha na. Okay, next. Ibig sabihin, isulat ko lang to. This will be your support A. Tama? And this will be your C. At sabi ko nga, yung direction dito, inassume ko muna na papunta doon, di ba? So, this is RC. Okay? Ngayon, kung titingnan nyo mabuti, makukuha ba natin angle na to? Ang angle na yan is simply arctangent na opposite over the adjacent. Di ba? Which is, etong part na to is 4, ito ay 3. So, ang angle na to is basically, pagka inano mo yan, 53.13. So, arctangent ng 4 or 4/3 lang tayo dyan. So, this is 53.13. Subukan nyo yung arctangent, yan yung lalabas. Ngayon, this is 90 degrees, di ba? This is 90 degrees. Ngayon, di ba, ang sabi natin, pagka in-extend mong paganyan yan, ganito yung ano lang yung magiging if this is 90 degrees, ilan na lang to? So technically, that's 180 minus 53.13 minus 90. So matitira na lang dito is 36.87. 87 degrees. Okay, 36.87. Kung gagamit ka naman ng slope, guys, ang mangyayari dito, if this is your 3, 4, 5, since ito yung corresponding angle niya, this will be your 3, 4, 5 naman. So, tama ba? Yan yung complementary angle niya para makabuo ka ng 90 degrees. Mabuo mo yung interior angle na 180 degrees. So, if kukunin mo, subukan mo i-check. Kapag in-arctangent mo yung 3/4, this will be 36.87. So, ako gagamit ako ng angle ngayon. Okay? So, now, wag mong kakalimutan yung resultant, yung couple dito. Kasi kasama yan sa moment mo. Tama? So, this is 600 pound-feet. Okay? So, ngayon, pag nag-take ka ng moment, okay? Okay? Ibig sabihin pala, wait lang, meron pa tayo i-add. ano yung distance na to ngayon? Para mas madali tayo, para hindi na tayo magano. So, ibig sabihin, this is 5, di ba? 3, 4, 5, di ba? So, okay. So, this is, yung distance na to is 5. So, ngayon, kasi kung papansin nyo, bakit ko yun ano yan, makikita nyo mamaya kung bakit ko kinuha yung side na yan. Okay, mag-take muna tayo ng moment sa A. However, i-assume na rin natin to. So, this is RAY, and then this will be your RAX. Assumption lang ulit yan. Okay? So, now, if we're going to get the summation moment at A is equal to 0, considering counterclockwise positive, at tingin ko ganun iikot yung RC. Okay? So, 0 is equal to RC. Ngayon, kung titingnan nyo, diretso na yan. Diretso na yun. Ito yung force mo na yan. Ito yung RC mo. Ito yung magiging perpendicular distance niya. So, from A, 5 yung distance mo ngayon. Ito yung 5 yung distance mo ngayon papunta doon sa RC na perpendicular. So, in that case, that will be RC multiplied by 5. Okay? Now, so okay ka na. And then, ano pa? Ito ngayon, isasama mo tong 600 pound-feet na to. Itong 600 pound-feet na yan. Kung may ikot siya clockwise, so therefore, ma-minus mo yan. So, technically, minus 200. Sa may moment arm ba yan? Wala guys. Couple na yan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yung RC natin is equal to 0, RC 5 minus 200. This is equal to ilan? Ay, sorry. This is 600 pala po. 200. So, kung nakuha yung 200 na yun. Okay, this is 600. Wait lang. Ang lilitaw dyan is 120 pound. Wow, nakuha na niya RC. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong na-solve for RC. So, ayan yung una nating sagot. Di ba madali lang? Kung alam mo lang talaga yung principle ng mga supports, madali lang talaga to eh. Okay, next. Summation forces horizontal na tayo. Summation forces horizontal is equal to 0. So, 0 is equal to RAX minus, kung titingnan nyo, naka-incline to, may makikreate tong component. We have the RCY, and then we have the RCX. Tama? Since along the horizontal tayo, RCX yan. So, big sabihin, minus RCX. 0 is equal to RAX minus RC, cosine ng, sabi ko, gagamit ako ng angle, but it's up to you, 87. So, yung RC natin is equal to 120. So, si RAX is equal to X minus 120 cosine of 36.87. So, this is equal to 96 pounds. 95.999. Siguro 96 pounds na lang yan. Okay, ito ngayon yung sagot natin for the RAX. Next is summation forces vertical. Summation forces vertical is equal to 0. 0 is equal to RAY naman, tama ba? Plus RCY. Plus RCY. So, 0 is equal to RAY. Okay, minus. Plus pala. Plus RC sine of 36.87. So, yung RC natin is 120. Therefore, your RAY is equal to 0 is equal to RAY plus 120 sine of 36.87. Ang lilitaw sa atin dito is negative 72 pounds. So, this is negative 72 pound. Mali yung assumption natin. Therefore, RAY is equal to 72 pounds supposedly downward. Okay? So, yan yung answer natin for RAY. Okay? So, yari na tayo for RAY. Yari na tayo for RC. Okay? Yari na tayo for basically sa first segment natin. Ngayon naman, i-transfer na natin yung loadings na RC natin sa pangalawang member natin. Okay? Ibig sabihin, isolating member, ano naman tayo? I-isolate naman natin yung member B, D, E. So, ibig sabihin, isolate natin yan. Pagpangalanan natin to as B. Ito yung C natin. Ito yung D. At saka ito yung E. Okay, ilan yung distance na to? Ang distance na to is 3. Ito rin ay 3. Sorry, not to scale yung ano natin. And then this is 2. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung B natin, meron tayong nakakarga na ilan? Meron tayong nakakarga na 500 pound dyan. Okay? Okay. Meron tayong nakakarga na 500 pound dyan. Sa C naman, okay, sa C is, kung titingnan nyo, di ba ang direction natin kanina is papunta dito. Dito, papunta sa taas na gano'n, pag ganyan yung direction natin sa RC. By transfer of loading, guys, yung internal effect naman niya, mababago yan. Pababa ka naman na ganyan. Okay, towards the ano naman. So, in this case, this is 36.87 pa rin naman yan. Okay, wala namang nagbabago dyan. Okay? Now, kung titingnan natin mabuti, this is the roller support, meaning meron kang vertical dyan. So, let's say RD upward yan. For pin support naman, dalawa yung lilitaw dyan. So, i-assume natin na this will be, by the way, ba't ba alam? Name. So, B, C, D, E. B, C, D, and then E. So, we have REY, tapos meron tayong REX. Okay, purely assumption lang ulit yan. Ngayon, saan tayo pwede mag-take ng moment? Pag nag-take ako ng moment sa ilan magiging unknown mo? Dalawa. Actually, pwede rin pala sa D. Pero kasi hindi naman pala masasama to. Pero pwede na rin tayo mag-take ng moment sa E na lang. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, pagka nag-take tayo ng moment at E equal to 0, considering clockwise positive, so 0 is equal to RD multiplied by 2. Tama? And then, ngayon, unahin natin si 500. Sige, minus, tama ba? Minus 500 multiplied by 2 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 8. Tama ba? 5 plus 3, 8. Oh, tama. Kinalcue pa no? So, we have 8. Ngayon naman, may isa pa tayo, which is the vertical component na to. Kasi di ba mahahati sa dalawang component yan, isang pa ganyan, tapos isang papunta doon. Eh, hindi naman nasasama yung along the X, along the Y lang. So, technically, minus, dahil iikot din ng counterclockwise yan, minus C RC sine of 36.87 multiplied by the moment arm na 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Cancel natin to. The RC is equal to, nahanap na natin kanina yan, we have 120. Ano ngayon yung magiging RD natin? Okay. RD 2 minus 500 multiplied by 8 minus 120 sine ng 36.87 multiplied by 5. Makukuha natin si RD bilang 2180 pounds. So this will be equal to 2180 pound. Nag-positive siya, therefore tama yung assumption natin. So in this case guys, ayun yung para sa RD natin. For REX and REY, alam nyo na yun. Summation forces horizontal is equal to 0. 0 is equal to negative REX plus RCX. Tama ba? Okay, itong RCX natin na yan. Ayan, and then this is the RCY. So, 0 is equal to negative REX plus 120 cosine of 36.87. So, yung REX natin is technically equal to 120 cosine of 36.87. This is equal to 95 or let's say 96 pound na lang. So, 96 pound na lang siya. So, tama. Positive yung direction. Tama yung assumption natin. Okay? So, in this case, that's REX. Next, for the summation forces vertical naman is equal to 0. 0 is equal to, ano yung mga involved dyan? Ito, marami-rami ito. Meron tayong RD plus REY, tama? Plus, minus RCY minus 500. So, simplify natin. 0 is equal to RD. Meron tayong RD, tama? Yung RD natin, sige, sulat ko na muna. RD plus REY natin minus RCY natin, or technically RC sine of 36.87 minus 500. Yung RD natin is meron na tayong 2180 dyan. Yung RC natin is 120. Si REY, this will be equal to 2180 plus REY minus 120 sine of 36.87 minus 500. This is equal to 1608. So, negative 1608 pounds. So, yung REY natin, mali assumption. This is 1608 pounds. Ang direction ay 1608 pounds. Ang direction dapat ng REY natin is downward. Kasi upward yung assumption natin at nag-negative siya. Okay, so that's Okay. So, yun lang naman guys. That's for sample problem number 5. For your assignment, please answer this. Okay. So, that's the additional sample problems for method of members.